Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end this week. It was a mostly green day for markets, with the S&P 500 snapping a three-day losing streak on Friday. But on the week, all four major indices finished down, with the NASDAQ 100, the biggest laggard, slipping about 1.5% on the week. Now taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, energy was up 1.4%, with utilities up about 0.9%. Those were the only two positive sectors closing out the week. Among the biggest losers, industrials and technology, both down more than 2%. Looking at some stocks on the move from Friday, Kroger shares closed up more than 3% after earnings results came in mixed. The company also said it booked a $1.4 billion charge from its $1.2 billion settlement of most of its opioid claims. And lastly, Kroger announced it's selling more than 400 stores to be able to acquire Albertsons. Restoration Hardware shares sunk more than 15% during the session. Now, although earnings and revenue beat the Zacks estimates, the company's third quarter revenue guidance missed expectations, and they warned that the luxury housing market will be pressured due to ongoing macro challenges. And as the United Auto Workers Union creeps into the 11th hour of its contract negotiations with the big three automakers, they say the Stellantis wage proposal does not make up for inflation. Stellantis offered wage increases of 14.5%. The union also rejected GM's earlier wage offer of a 16% wage increase and Ford's 9% wage increase, calling both insulting when the union initially asked for a 46% wage increase. Let's look at what to watch for next week. Looking at data, we'll see CPI and PPI numbers, then jobless claims, retail sales, and consumer sentiment. And on the earnings front, Oracle, Adobe, and Lennar are the big headliners of the week. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.